Here's a practical, step-by-step guide to using NordVPN to watch Netflix, Shahid VIP, and other global streaming platforms from Saudi Arabia, including common issues and how to fix them. 1. How NordVPN helps you stream geo-blocked content. When you use NordVPN, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with one from a server in another country. This makes streaming platforms think you're physically in that country, unlocking region-specific libraries or services. Netflix * NordVPN can unblock many Netflix libraries, US, UK, Japan, Canada, etc., by connecting to servers in those countries. Shahid VIP * Shahid VIP is region restricted and tied to specific countries, often UAE. Connecting to a server in a supported country gives you an IP that Shahid sees as local, letting you stream. 2. Steps to make NordVPN work with streaming. Step 1. Install and launch NordVPN. 1. Subscribe to NordVPN and install the app on your device, Windows, Mac OS, iPhone, Android, Smart TV, etc. 2. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Choose the right server. How you pick the server depends on the service. For Netflix, * connect to a server in the country whose Netflix catalog you want, example US for the US library, UK for British content. * If Netflix shows a VPN proxy error, disconnect and try a different server in the same country. NordVPN has multiple servers per region to avoid blocks. For Shahid VIP, * connect to a server in a region where Shahid VIP is available. Typically UAE is a good choice. Shahid VIP restricts access based on your IP's location, so picking a UAE server lets the service think you are in a supported region. Step 3. Enable Smart Play, if available. Nord Smart Play combines VPN plus Smart DNS automatically, which can help streaming services bypass region blocks without extra setup. It's usually enabled by default, just ensure it's on in the app settings. Step 4. Clear app/browser cache, * if the platform still detects location incorrectly, clear the streaming app or browser cache before trying again. Step 5. Disable interfering features * threat protection /cyber sec * these can sometimes obstruct streaming connections, turning them off temporarily may help. 3. Troubleshooting common streaming issues. Netflix still shows proxy error, * try a different server in the same country. Netflix blocks individual IP addresses often. * use major or highly numbered server IDs, often newer unblocked IPs. Shows still region locked, * some shows are licensed to specific regions not supported by NordVPN. For that library, switching countries or checking unogs.com for available libraries helps. Shahid VIP. Doesn't load, * make sure you've signed out and restarted the app after connecting to the VPN, so the app refreshes your IP location. * try different UAE servers if one isn't working. Tips for best results: use nearby servers for speed if you're in Saudi Arabia. * for Shahid VIP, try UAE servers, closer geographical proximity often improves speed. * for Netflix, choose the region you want to access, example US, UK, Japan. Restart apps after connecting VPN. Many streaming services detect country only at launch, close and reopen the streaming app after NordVPN connects. Device tips: * for smart TVs or streaming devices, if native apps don't work with VPN, Nord Smart DNS feature can help without full VPN on the device. Important legal and service note: a VPN doesn't change your subscription's billing country. Access to some services still depends on your registered country/payments even when streaming works.